This is a dishwasher. We are using it from last 1.5 year. It's from Tata brand. It's Voltos Beko. It's a 8 plate setting dishwasher. As you can see, I think as I told you, its performance wise fantastic. I think I was in Germany and I was using Bosch dishwasher in Germany. And if you see the quality of cleaning and all, there's not at all any difference with respect to Bosch or with respect to Voltos Beko. So, however dirty the vessel is, it cleans very nicely. I can show you the inside. See, I think this is quite sufficient for a small family, maybe 3-4 members. You can put see, this is one tray where you can put even big 5 liter, 6 liter, 7 liter cookers also. We have tried, we were using it. You can place like, yeah, if it's a small, like you can put teapot, tea vessel, uh, small cooker, rice cooker, everything in this tray. You can place such 4 items in one go. This is a small tray for cleaning small vessels like a glass. You can see, you can put your knife, spoons, and anything as such. It washes nicely. So you can see how cleanly it washed, how nicely it washed. So it's very clean, and it has this soap tablet putting tray. You can press tablet and close it, automatically starts. It washes at high temperature, or I think around 60 degrees Celsius, 60 or 65 degrees Celsius, and it has 5 different modes: intense, normal, eco, glass clean, clean and shine, and mini. I think we normally use clean and shine mode. We never tried other modes as such. Even with clean and shine mode itself, it cleans very nicely, and it takes around 1.5 hour in clean and shine mode. It's really good product, and within budget. I think it's around 20,000. I think easily affordable, and it's budget friendly, and it's true to its value. I think it definitely needed. It solves a lot of problem as such, and it it helps a lot. It saves a lot of time, and also interestingly, it saves a lot of water. It's a proud Tata product, and indeed it's a very trustworthy product. Thank you.